Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City. If you go on my website or onto YouTube, I did a series for people who have never invested in real estate before, a series of 5 videos, kind of giving you some basic information. So what this series of 5 videos are going to be about is, okay, you've been that first-time investor, you have bought your first property, now what? And what we want to talk about is how you build up your inventory, why you should be buying more than one home, and the things that are very, very important for you to move from one to whatever number it's going to be. Now, you know, what I normally tell people is that I'm an investor in real estate, but I'm also an investor in the stock market. And I don't just buy one stock and just put everything into one stock. I have a diversified portfolio, and it's something that is balanced out in different sectors. That's normally the way that you do investment. And it's the same way with real estate. One home is like buying one stock, and you're just at the mercy of that one stock or that one home. So if it becomes vacant for any particular amount of time, then you have 100% vacancy rate, which means you're losing money. And I'm not just real fond of losing money. I want to make money. So this is why we normally tell investors that you really need to go to 5 houses so that you diversify your portfolio, maybe different types of properties, different areas, different school systems, different times of the year in terms of when the lease needs to be renewed or a new tenant comes in, so that when you have a 20% vacancy rate on those 5 with one, that needs to be re-rented, you have enough cash flow to pay that mortgage as well as still have extra money. And at the same time, you're making significant investments that are appreciating, so that 7 or 10 years down the road, you have built up a very, very strong wealth position. And so what we want to do is go through the different details about how we get there, why we should get there, some things that probably a lot of realtors are not going to talk to you about if they're not investment specialists, totally, into this thing like we are. And I'll talk a little bit about how teamwork works for you in the Oklahoma City market and why we do have so many people that are repeat investors. So we're going to delve into that in the next 4 videos after this, and hopefully you'll get a better idea about how to make the right decisions in terms of investing in real estate. So stay tuned. The next one is going to be on the financing aspect of what is the ways that we can go ahead and get that 2nd, 3rd, 5th, and 8th property, whatever it happens to be that is going to meet your needs. So stay tuned. That's coming next.